Hello, Sean Connell Certified Lymphologist at Energy Wellness. Some people have asked me to do some videos on cancer and how we help at the Wellness Centre with cancer. So if you have any other videos that we'd like me to do, just let me know. So there's many options for cancer. So if I had cancer, what I'd be doing is going into the Wellness Centre, and one of the many ways that we help is we use far infrared lights. So in the session you're going to have 3 far infrared domes over you at once. So because of the dome and the crystals and the way these are set up, it's going to turn light energy into heat energy. Now this is going to penetrate very deep into the body, activating all the meridians. So it's as good as acupuncture without the needles, removing all the heavy metals, toxins, fats, cellulite, inflammation out of the body, allowing the body to regenerate and heal itself. The other big benefit is it makes collagen, so it's going to hit the fibroblast in the body, making collagen, makes nitric oxide. There's so many benefits, I'm just going to have to put them below because I'll be here all day just going over the benefits of the far infrared domes. So all you do is Germany have proven also that when we get to this temperature in the body, it's going to break up the tumour and allow the body to regenerate and heal itself. So that's the advantage of the fur. So Energy Wellness, all you do is you lay down in the energy bed. You're going to have 5 medical machines working on you all at once. I'll do videos on all the benefits of them as well as I go through. So you just lay down with your clothes on, relax. A lot of people fall asleep. We actually use sound therapy as well. So a lot of people fall asleep, and you'll love the benefits of the 5 medical devices working on you all at once. So if you have any other questions, you can contact me on the website or the email. So the details are there. If you have any other videos you would like me to do, just let me know and I'll do those for you. So I hope this helps. You can book in on the website or send me a message. Thank you. Talk to you soon.